After helping people lose weight for 20 years, I learned that feeling hungry is a main barrier for someone to reach their goal weight. An easy way to not feel hungry is to drink a smoothie, but not all the smoothies are created equal. Please know, not every smoothie is a meal replacement. There is a formula you need to follow. To serve as a meal replacement, a smoothie needs to be balanced with all three macronutrients: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Why does a smoothie need to have all three macronutrients for weight management? A type of carbohydrate that adds both to help you feel full faster is fiber. California avocados are a good source of fiber. Protein is a must because it stays in your stomach longer during digestion to keep you feeling full. Also, protein can help you prevent muscle loss while eating less calories in order to achieve your weight goal. These smoothies contain California avocados, which have good fat that act as a nutrient booster. These fats increase the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K. Don't forget, for weight management, at the end of the day, calories matter. The serving size for each smoothie is about 24 fluid ounces and provides about 220 calories. These 5 smoothies are so delicious. I hope you enjoy them throughout your weight management journey.